Whether you're looking for a complete professional garage storage system or just an individual storage unit, we have the solution. The Sealey APMS Superline Pro modular storage range. The range incorporates the following valuable features: freestanding all-steel construction with a tough hammered metal finish. The cabinets are supplied fully assembled for quick and easy installation into your workshop. Strong steel drawers with smooth ball-bearing drawer runners and neoprene liners. Snap-close magnets on the floor unit doors. Aluminium full-length drawer pulls and door handles. An adjustable shelf in each floor unit. The floor unit doors and drawers are lockable and have 2 keys. A choice of stainless steel or pressed wood worktops. Steel pegboard back panels with cable ports. And gas struts or tambour fronts on wall units. Please visit our website at sealey.co.uk for details on the full range. The Sealey APMS modular storage range. Tough quality products with great features.